Hey guys, how are you today? My name is Olimpiu Tuns, and today I will talk about the US dollar. As you already know, as a first reaction, the US dollar crashed after poor US economic data, but this could still be only a temporary sell-off. And also, I will take a look on silver, because personally I wanted to actually I was looking for potential short, but right now maybe the sentiment changed in the short term. I will keep an eye also on silver. Also, I will take a look on I will talk about the Japanese yen, only because personally I'm still keeping my pending order in Canadian dollar Japanese yen for the VIP members despite that sell-off. I will tell you why I've decided to select a higher entry today on that market. So here is the risk disclaimer. Hello, hi, how are you? So here is the disclaimer. Please read it, as you already know. Yeah, it's really important to understand the risks before trading, before investing, before trading on a financial markets, on foreign exchange market, on CFDs, on cryptocurrencies, indexes. And let's start with the economic calendar. So, worse than expected data. Flash services PMI, guys, from the United States, 44.1 points, far below 49.8, and the flash services PMI, this indicator dropped from 47.3, signaling contraction, guys. The indicator is located, actually what it was located in the negative territory, or in the contraction territory, but right now it has dropped deeper. Flash manufacturing PMI, it has dropped from 52.2 to 51.3. So also here the expansion slowed down here on this sector, on the manufacturing sector. So yeah, bad news for the US dollar in the short term. Richmond Manufacturing Index worse than expected. New home sales worse than expected as well. So yeah, that's why the US dollar. Let's take a look. Dollar index sell-off, strong sell-off, and personally, I've talked about potential retreat from here, but the price ignored 108.56. It has continued to grow, but it has failed to hit 109.29. It has failed here to stabilize above the weekly R1. Only false breakouts, new lower low, sell-off. So that's why the US dollar depreciated versus the other currencies. But right now, this rebound, we have a rebound. The price of the dollar index tries to rebound. What? No sound? Please confirm into the chat that you can hear me. Can you hear me, guys? Okay, Arstan, I hear you. Okay, I believe that that the sound is okay. Maybe you have some technical problems. Sound clear? Yes. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. Unfortunately, one of the members said that we have no sound, and that's why I've asked you. Thank you, guys. So also don't forget to ask questions, guys. I'm waiting for messages here into the chat, into the YouTube chat, because personally I will take a look on the US dollar, on Japanese yen, and silver. So as you already know, Orlando sent his new trade in Euro USD, and he catch this rebound, potential rebound here in the dollar index, and Euro USD right now crashed after its rebound. So let's take a look on that market as well. But don't forget that Orlando will come back with his trade management. It's his trade, and he will come back with his management. Please take a look here. Okay. after this sell-off, after this massive drop, a rebound was expected, but maybe the Euro USD only retested and registered the false breakout above parity here, 1.0000 psychological level, before coming back down. It remains to see, because let's take a look, and Orlando already took profit on that trade, I believe. Yeah. Also, don't forget that personally, I'm still short New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Yeah. And as you already know, my stop loss is at break even. The price rebounded here, but it has failed to hit the stop loss at break even. So yeah, I'm still keeping my 17%, I believe, in New Zealand dollar, US dollar from last week, and I've closed it 83% around this level here after this sell-off. Please take a look. After closing here around these levels, 83%, rebound, a new sell-off, sideways movements right now, a strong rebound. But if it stays also here below the downtrend line to retest, register only false breakouts, please take a look here. These former lows as resistance levels or something. So let's wait, guys, because personally I'm still keeping that short, my remaining in New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Let's take a look on silver. Please, guys, if you have questions, please tell me what you are looking at, your time frame. Yeah, and because I really want to have a conversation here. Okay, so silver. Yeah, I've said that I'm looking for potential shorts. It remains to see how it will react here, because right now it challenges the downtrend line. Okay, gold, as you already know, gold and silver rallied only because the US dollar depreciated, because the dollar index crashed in the short term. So it remains to see if it stays below the downtrend line, and if this breakout will be invalidated, I don't know, by a major bearish engulfing, by, I don't know, bearish pattern here, false breakout or something, and test retest, I don't know, could signal a potential new sell-off in the short term. It's premature to, in my opinion, it's premature to go long here. I need confirmation. Okay. Also, if it makes a valid breakout above the downtrend line, also it could come back higher, maybe towards this level before coming back down. But right now I'll wait for confirmation. And unfortunately, worse than expected US data. Yes, it sounds great. Can you explain your New Zealand dollar, US dollar entry, Calvin? Yeah. Are you a VIP member, Calvin? Because personally I've explained everything last week. I've explained why I was short on a New Zealand or US dollar in that video, thought process. What gold position to take on daily time frame? I want to take swing position. Kumar, how about US 30, please? Yeah, we'll take a look on that market, C-bar, but please tell me what you are looking at. Astan, here Olympia, a general question. How do you choose the risk percentage? Do you use the risk percentage? Why? Personally, I'm using only 1%. I'm risking only 1% per trade. Yeah. So what's risk percentage? It's 1%, it's 0.9, 0.8, it depends. Okay, personally I'm calculating the position size with the risk calculator, and yeah, as you already know, personally I'm risking 1% maybe, or 0.9, yeah, 0.8, 1%, 1.1 or something like this, but 1%. Okay. Okay, do you think a short gold will be good short term? Now it's up to you guys. Okay, so personally, no, right now let's take a look on gold. It's up to you guys if you want to go short, if you want to go long. And as you already know, when I'll have something, I'll share the trade into the VIP group. When I don't have a setup to trade, no, I will stay away and I'll wait. Okay, because please take a look here in gold. So gold only false breakdown here through 1733, and strong rally retreat only because the dollar index rebounded. And no, I don't want to sell it, I don't want to buy it right now. No, when I don't have a high probability trade. And also you should trade I don't know, maybe specific setups, okay, high probability setups, not everything, okay, because personally I don't have a setup here right now. I don't want to sell it here because I don't know, as long as it stays above this this low, it could still resume its growth, okay. But also I don't want to buy it because I don't know, if the dollar index comes back higher, then it could drop or something. So no, right now I don't have a setup. Maybe we had something, maybe we've missed something here in gold. Actually, Orlando's trade long today, it has closed his trade in gold today for you know, 0.3 I don't know, something like this, loss or something. So only because the price dropped it here, Orlando had a long here. Please take a look. Okay, yeah, these things happen in trading. An aggressive breakdown, a false breakdown, and then it has rallied. So his stop was around these levels, but he closed his position sooner. And yeah, but right now, no, I don't want to do anything here. Yeah, only because it has reached also these former lows. Yeah, I'll keep an eye maybe only on silver for now, as I've said, because I really want to see how it will react here. A new higher high, but as I've said, it could still invalidate this breakout. Okay. Okay, shorting gold, a general question. How about US 30? Sibar, but please tell me what you are looking at. On 1 hour chart, there was no breakdown. Stan, it depends. Let's take a look. What breakdown? Yeah, we had a breakdown here. But here on trading view, I don't know. I don't know your brokerage company, and yeah, the price could be different at looking forward to silver. Yeah, so the price could be different, or the price action could be different from brokerage company to another brokerage company. But here on trading view, let's take a look on another. Please take a look. Breakdown. Yeah. So we had a breakdown. Yeah. On 1 hour. I don't know what you are talking about. Yeah, about gold. Yeah. On 1 hour. I don't know your brokerage company, but please take a look here. Yeah. Please take a look here on several brokerage companies. Breakdown. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. Yen basket. Let's talk about Japanese yen. There was Mr. Flo Mori. Yeah. There was, okay. Japanese yen basket. I've talked about this this pattern, guys, right? Today, please take a look. Yeah, this flag, this up channel is still intact. Okay, false breakdown. I've said that value breakdown here could signal a potential downside movement, and then maybe I will look for potential Japanese yen shorts, and staying here and only false breakdowns could signal a potential new rally, and I will look for potential Japanese yen longs. But right now this was a reaction, guys, only after the US data, after poor US economic data. So this could still be only a temporary rebound rally. I don't know, the yen basket to retest the immediate resistance levels, and then, as I've said, maybe a new lower low or value breakdown could signal a potential downside movement. So right now, personally, I'm still keeping that that pending order. Let's take a look, and personally, I will. Please take a look. So this was my setup for the VIP members. Okay, for the VIP members. If you are a free member, yeah, and if you want my levels, you should join our VIP group. So the price failed to hit my entry. Okay, the price failed to hit my entry. It has crashed, it has dropped it, but we have a strong support area, support zone here, as you already know. So that's why maybe personally I will only, if the price stays above these levels, if the yen basket will drop again, yeah, and if the Canadian dollar Japanese yen will turn to the upside, and if the upside scenario will be confirmed, then maybe I will I don't know, maybe I will only move my stop loss, yeah, because right now the price reached my stop loss, but as you already know, this is only a pending order. The price didn't reach my my entry. Okay, so I'll wait to see how it will react here, because this could still be only a temporary sell-off, false breakdown maybe with great separation. This candle will be closed in 9 minutes, and if this will be maybe what? Sir, I joined late. Can you tell about DXY? Ali, yeah, I will take a look on the DXY again, and don't forget, guys, that if you joined this session only right now, a few minutes ago or something, you can watch it later. Yeah, you can watch this this video later in our YouTube channel. That's why it's important to visit our YouTube channel, to subscribe. You can like this video, you can share it. You will find this video, we have a playlist there called live webinars, so you can watch this webinar again. Okay, again, join my webinar. So you guys, one moment, because so please, guys, if you have questions. Okay, I drew lines wrongly, maybe. Stan, yeah. Yeah, I don't know what line, what uptrend you have here, or I don't know. But this it was my my uptrend line here. Okay, something like a range, false breakout, false breakdown, and then rally. So right now, please take a look. The price of gold tries to resume its growth. I don't know. Also about the dollar index. Could you go over the confirmations you are looking for in a breakout? The lower line can be lower. Yeah. Based on what you determine risk percentage in your, based on what you determine risk percent in your signals. AZ, as I said, my risk is only 1% per trade. I'm risking 1% of the trading account per trade. Okay, so don't ask me again why I'm not risking 10%, why I'm not risking 90% or something, why I'm not risking 3% or 5%, or my risk is 1%. So yeah, because as a professional trader, yeah, you risk 1-2%, but personally I'm risking only 1% here because it's learn to trade. We are here to share our trades. It's just basic risk management. It's up to you. My risk is 1%. Okay, so as I've said, as a professional trader, or actually a professional trader will risk, I don't know, 1-3%, but not more than 2-3% in my opinion, because trading on financial markets, trading on CFDs, on Forex, on indexes, cryptocurrencies, or could be risky. It's risky. It's not for everyone. So that's why here at Learn to Trade, my risk is only 1% or less than 1%, maybe 0.5, okay, 0.9, 0.8, okay. Yeah, okay. So could you go over the confirmations you are looking for in a breakout? Yeah. Confirmations in a breakout. Please take a look here. Maybe this was a confirmation here. Okay. We had let's take a look on lower time frames here on the dollar index. Okay, maybe this it was a confirmation because we had a range pattern, sideways movement in the short term. Sideways movement. Okay, it's failure. It depends, guys, because the price action could be different, but I don't know if you're looking at breakouts like this one here, sideways movement. Let's talk about the sideways movement, or breakout, retest, new higher high. It has confirmed potential further growth. But personally, as you already know, I'm using also pitchfork. Okay, and I've talked about this ascending pitchfork here, 1, 2, and 3. Also here, rally, retest, new higher high, it has signal potential further growth, at least towards the medium line, breakout. And that's why also personally this pitchfork, ascending pitchfork, also helped me to identify a potential maybe US dollar long or something in New Zealand or US dollar, because also here this it was a dynamic resistance breakout also here, and this it was my confirmation maybe here on the dollar index. I've talked about it. So if you are talking about sideways movement, okay, if the price jumps, retest, makes a new higher high, you can we can talk about confirmation. But yeah, it's also about probabilities, because if we'll have something like a breaking news, fundamentals or something, I don't know, such a breakout could be invalidated. Even if the price rallied, retested or something like this, it could come back down or something. So that's why you have to be careful. You need more than one tool to for confirmations. You need also price action, I don't know, indicators, a lot of things. Yeah, not only, I don't know, breakout, retest or something like this. You need something else. Okay, thanks. What I like about your VIP group, risk management, perfect. Yeah, I feel every time I try to use the fork, I just giving myself wrong information because I'm, yeah, you don't have to use it. Okay, then just use pitchfork. Yeah, Yeah, Arstan, I will. For me, maybe I'm using only Pitchfork, but you always want trades. Yeah, you want to trade 10,000 per day. And personally, when I'm using Pitchfork, or actually, I'm looking only for high probability trades with Pitchfork, and I cannot find trades using Pitchfork every day, only using Pitchfork, or only using that setup. I have a setup, I have a strategy, but it's really hard to identify every day, every day high probability trades using only Pitchfork. You don't have to use Pitchfork if you don't like Pitchfork. If Pitchfork is not for you, if you cannot understand how to trade using Pitchfork, but maybe in the upcoming period, I don't know, several weeks or in the next months, maybe I will. I don't know, maybe I will record a trading course on how to use Pitchfork, and only maybe Pitchfork, or maybe Pitchfork with other tools, technical tools, indicators, and price action. I will maybe share a strategy with you guys if you are interested. But yeah, I'll have to record that the trading course, that several videos for that strategy. So yeah, but what is really important is to trade. Harrison, what type of setup do you use to see and manage all of your open positions? What? So what setup? To see and manage all of your open positions. We are managing our position in our real account in MetaTrader 4. Yeah. So dollar index. Yeah. After dropping below 108.56, okay, after this aggressive breakdown, I don't know, coming back to test retest, these immediate resistance levels could signal that the dollar index could still develop a larger retreat, okay, a deeper drop in the short term, and the deeper drop here maybe towards 107.78, 107.47. I don't know, a larger sell-off here could still help us to identify new US dollar longs, okay, because and as you already know, number of monitors, platform, yeah, I have additional monitors, yeah, and platform, MetaTrader 4, as you already know, yeah, we have a real account and MetaTrader 4. Yeah, so the gold, USD can maybe, and fell, there was a bounce back in, wait and see. One moment guys, because I have to, but please send your questions, your messages. So it's up to you, Kumar. Is there a good strategy, or we should stick to risk reward? It's up to you. Okay, personally I'm using Ali, is GBPUSD reverse? What do you look up to fundamental? Where do you look up the fundamentals for Forex? So as you already know, I'm looking maybe here on Forex Factory to see what we have on that day, on a specific day, or during the week or something. This is really good. It's up to you. You can use any economic calendar, and then also I'm using a news platform. Yeah, when I get my one moment. So you can keep an eye on an economic calendar for the fundamentals, and also you need to understand how the fundamentals will affect a specific market or the markets, right? And it's not enough only to keep an eye on an economic calendar, because I don't know. Today, yeah, today, guys, poor U.S. economic data. Okay, flash manufacturing PMI, flash services PMI, new home sales. I know. Yeah, it was bad for the US dollar. Okay, poor US economic data forced the US dollar to depreciate, but also because technically speaking, here the dollar index was overbought. Yeah, and that's why we had this amazing sell-off. Okay. It was expected, the dollar index was expected to drop, to retreat after such an amazing rally. Okay, so yeah, and also the fundamentals helped the dollar index to drop right now in the short term. Yeah, so you have to, in my opinion, it's really important to use a mix between technicals and fundamental. Okay, so will the gold silver drop, you think? I don't know. Please take a look. Right now, no. Yeah, I said that as long as it stays above 1747, yeah, it could develop a pattern here, range, triangle, I know, in the short term. So now I will not tell you what to do. Okay, I will not tell you what to do that gold will drop. No, I don't know. Yeah, when I'll identify a setup, I will trade it, but right now I don't have a setup, in my opinion. Okay, maybe Orlando will have something on gold. Personally, I don't have something on gold. If I don't see something familiar here, no, I don't want to trade. Yeah, I don't want to, I don't know, to risk 1% only because, I don't know, I want to trade gold. Yeah, I want to trade gold 10 times per day. No, I don't want to trade gold. Only when I have something like a high probability setup and trade. Gold to 1,731 by this week. I don't know. Okay, what do you think is the best figure of money for a good strategy? Sharp ratio, recovery factor. Yeah. Okay. Let's take a look, because I've wanted to talk about Jan basket, and that's why I said that I will still keep my pending order in Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Maybe this was only false breakout here and sideways movement, value breakdown, could signal a potential downside movement. Bitcoin, guys, let's take a look. Bitcoin, sideways movement, and the bias remains bearish, guys, and probably will I will look for potential shorts again on Bitcoin, as you already know, but I believe that this trade in Bitcoin is for the swing trading group. In Bitcoin, we have open a trade in Bitcoin in our real account. Let's take a look. Kumar, what silver setup you was talking about? Please tell. I've talked about silver, Kumar, earlier. Yeah. So trades, we have 3 trades right now in profit. Yeah, and for this month, for August, we are here is Orlando's trade, but I believe that this is for the swing group. I don't know. Stop loss at break even, sideways movement, and maybe we'll look for potential new shorts after Bitcoin will end its sideways movement, temporary rebound or something. So Right now we are in profit with these trades. Also, okay. I know that you want a setup, Kumar, but no, I will not tell you what to do. Okay, when I'll have a trade, yeah, a setup, a high probability setup, when I'll get confirmation, I will share the trade into the VIP group. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with you. I don't know why you want to trade, I don't know, 10 times per day. I really don't understand. Okay, New Zealand dollar, US dollar, yeah. So this is Bitcoin. This could be something like a sideways movement, and if it stays below the immediate high, below this level here, I don't know, the price of Bitcoin could resume its sell-off. Please take a look. 21,659 as resistance, something like a sideways movement. So only false breakouts could signal potential new sell-off. Ali, sir, please, GBPUSD update on 1 hour time frame. To update what? Please tell me what you're looking at. Are you long? Are you short? You want to buy? You want to sell? And then I will tell you my opinion. But yeah, you want an update on what? Yeah, rebound. So what? I really don't understand you guys. One hour. Okay, 1 hour rebound. What? You want to do what on 1 hour? You want me to update on what? Because you can see this rebound, yeah. And I've said in my previous webinar that 1.1759 as support. I've said that here maybe we had a chance, the last chance to go short, it was here, okay, after this breakdown, test, retest, okay, and then sell off. I've said that I believe that the price was around these levels on Friday, and I've said that it is too late to go short around these levels because we have 1.1759, and after such a massive sell-off we could have a rebound. So right now, I don't know, maybe we had a chance here after invalidating its breakdown here to go long. Right now, in my opinion, it's too late to go long, okay. It's risky to catch this this rebound, even if the price will I don't know, come back higher, because right now, no, I don't want to go long here, okay, because yeah, 1.1877 as immediate resistance, and yeah, GBP US dollar is maybe similar with gold or something in the short term. So right now, no, I don't have a setup to trade. If you take a short-term trades, do you base it from several time frames, or are you more looking into specific as 5 to 4 hour? No, as you already know, I'm looking at several time frames when I want to trade. Also, when I want to place also a short-term trade, it's really important to understand the price action, to understand what will really happen on what's happening on long term, on medium term, and on short term, okay. Because also here, please take a look, yeah, you need to understand that we have a downtrend, we have temporary rebounds, and after a rebound sell-off, and after a sell-off, maybe in the short term we can have a rebound or something, okay. So yeah, it's important. Personally, I'm looking at several time frames also before taking a trade. Also, if I want to place a trade on 15 minutes, maybe I'm taking a look, I'll keep an eye also on 5 minutes, okay, also on 30 minutes or something. So yeah, okay, guys. Ali, okay, so thank you guys for your messages. Personally, I will come back and I will update the VIP group if I'll decide to keep my my pending order in Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, if I will place a new trade. Yeah, gold. As I've said, guys, DXY, personally, and in my opinion, DXY could come back down, as I've said, after worse than expected US data. and a potential deeper drop could force silver and gold to jump higher in the short term. And also because someone asked me about silver and about my setup in silver. Yeah, I've talked about silver earlier. You can watch this webinar again later, trying to understand, because yeah, I've talked about silver, I've talked about this downtrend line, I've talked about potential sell-off if it stays, if the price action invalidates this breakout, or I've said that I will look for potential shorts from here if it continues to grow or something, because right now, no, I don't want to go long. Maybe in the short term anything could happen after the US data. Yeah, in the short term, and as a first reaction, yeah, we had a strong rally retest here, and yeah, it could continue to grow, but I don't know, maybe I want confirmation also on higher time frame. Yeah, maybe on 1 hour. Yeah, the price to come back to test retest, and maybe only then I will look for potential longs, but right now, no. Okay. Okay, guys, thanks for watching this this quick session for and I will come back with why is there so poor USD data lately? Why do you think? Why do you think? Yeah. So, why do you think? Because there are a lot of things going on, like geopolitical tensions. Yeah, I need several perspectives. Yeah. So geopolitical tensions and inflation and a lot of things could lead to bad and poor economic data, or something to recession, or something to, I don't know, a lot of bad things for an economy. So that's why we also have, or yeah, the questions here are so funny. Yeah. Okay, guys, thanks again. I was live here for, I don't know, 45 minutes or something. So I will end this this webinar, and I will come back with, I love to be on asking. Yeah, thanks for your messages and questions. So silver, I will keep an eye here on silver. Yeah, and also here after this massive sell-off, right now, yeah, it challenges 23.6 retracement level. It remains to see if it will validate its breakout here. Olympia, you from? It doesn't matter. Where are you from? It doesn't matter. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, guys. See you next time. It seems that you don't have more questions about the financial markets, about Forex, about I don't know. Yeah, US 30. Someone asked me about US 30, but US 30. Let's take a look on. Yeah, 1 hour. It has crashed in the short term because US dollar appreciated. Yeah, right now in the short term, maybe the bias is still bearish, but here around these levels, guys, around these former highs, it could find support. And if the US dollar will continue to if you will depreciate, if the US dollar will depreciate in the short term, then maybe US 30, US 100, US 500 could try to rebound. But right now, no, I don't have a setup, so no, I will not talk about this market because I don't have a setup to trade. Okay, I will keep an eye on all markets. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.